It's exciting to be working here. It's exciting to be pioneering with what we're doing with data and digital technology.
At Tharsus, we have 3 key values, and that's aim higher, think wider, and work together. And really, we're looking for someone at Tharsus who can embody all of those values. Someone who's curious, who likes to learn, but also doesn't mind being challenged.
Every day is different, and every day you have the opportunity to innovate and create something new.
We're not just creating waves, but we're creating earthquakes with the products, with the technology that we are developing and delivering to our customers. So there are various roles available at Tharsus. We seek mathematicians and physicists, data scientists, people who can handle the data, who can do great things, pull out great things from the data that we collect, people who understand machine learning, who understand what is possible in that sphere. We're also looking for software engineers. We're building great software to deliver our solutions across the stack. And people who are passionate about building new things, building great software solutions would be really welcome to join the team.
So someone who is effective at communicating those skills across and is also prepared to work with other individuals who maybe don't quite understand that skill set and are able to communicate that across effectively.
So we love to have people who are great technically, but it's not just about that. We're looking for people who are naturally curious, who love to learn, who love to understand new things.
Individuals who are genuinely interested in the digital field, that they don't just have the skill set, they haven't just been to university and achieved that award, they also have the genuine interest, they do it outside of work, they bring those interests into work as well, because that always provides us with new ideas, new opportunities, and also brings collaborative thinking as well.
It almost feels like a hobby. I'm doing the things that I really enjoy to do. If I wasn't working at Tharsus, I'd probably be doing these things anyway.
There's a really great opportunity. You know, the time is now to embrace this, to use the technology to solve problems and to really gain commercial advantage.
We don't want individuals to look back in 10, 15 years time and think, I should have joined Tharsus then.
We talk about 3 values. We talk about aiming higher. We love to do great things. We love to produce brilliant solutions using the right technology to solve the problem. If you want to be part of that, get in touch, come and join us.